Welcome back to Stay Tuned September Sushi Crawl presented by Sushi Geeks. I'm up here in Avalon, New Jersey. I ain't gonna say any names, but some very proud Villanovans were gracious enough to have me in their house this Memorial Day. And we have a lot of sushi from Water Lilly in Stone Harbor, New Jersey. I gotta be honest, I really don't even know where to start with most of this stuff. It's, as you can see, a lot of different rolls. I know that's some type of rainbow roll. I know this is the California roll. Some sashimi, but like this is a mean spread. I gotta be honest, I didn't order this, so I can't even really attest for what everything is, but this was more so just a roundabout way of showing everything that they had. Like this is major. Sorry if I sound a little under the weather, I'm tired. But yeah, pretty short and sweet one. I'm not about to sit here and eat everything. I have tried a few of them. This is good. I don't know, you go in and choose, pick me style, whatever you want to do. But for the most part, I've tried the rainbow roll, the smoked salmon sashimi, this roll right here that is loaded with jalapenos and some form of tuna. Now overall, they're great. The one thing I will say is, if you're not into spicy sushi, this is not for you. Almost every roll here has like a little bit of, as I say that, a little bit of twang on it. So I'm gonna stop yelling so they can peacefully watch TV. But like I said, Water Lilly, Avalon, New Jersey, 4 out of 5 on the salt. 5 out of 5 on the overall taste because I love spicy stuff. They actually got one roll that came with duck sauce. 3 out of 5 on the overall uniqueness. They didn't reinvent the wheel really, but it is what it is. And a 4 out of 5 on the presentation and flavor. So that's my spiel on this episode of the Stay Tuned Sushi Crawl. Like I said, Water Lilly in Stone Harbor, New Jersey.